If you're getting ready to take the Arkansas Commercial Masonry Contractor exam and you want to pass it on your first try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down what this exam really tests you on, the exact reference books you're allowed to use, key strategies to avoid common mistakes, and how to study smarter, not longer. This is an open book exam, but don't let that fool you. Most people fail because they don't know how to use their books efficiently, so let's fix that. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Arkansas Commercial Masonry Contractor exam, then stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Arkansas prep materials towards the end of this short video. So the Arkansas Commercial Masonry Contractor is licensed specialty contractors regulated by the Arkansas Contractors Licensing Board, who is authorized to perform masonry construction work on commercial and industrial projects. So this is going to include the installation of brick, block, stone, and other masonry materials, including structural masonry, architectural and finished masonry, commercial masonry systems, repair, and restoration as well. The project scope can be to commercial or industrial buildings. So the exam is going to be a total of 30 questions. You will have 75 minutes to complete that exam, and you will need a 70% passing score. The breakdown of the exam is going to be as follows. You're going to have 2 questions on estimating, 10 on unit masonry, 7 on mortar and grout, 4 on accessories, 1 on stone, 2 on tools, 2 on restoration and cleaning, and 2 on OSHA safety. So to obtain this license, you're going to need to show relevant experience. You're going to need to pass the exams and submit an application to the state licensing board. So let's walk through the exact books you're going to be tested from and how they're typically used. You have the OSHA 29 CFR, Part 1926, which is going to talk about fall protection, ladders, personal protective equipment, PPE, etc. Next will be the International Residential Code for 1 and 2 family dwellings, 2015 edition. That's going to provide the foundational structural requirements for masonry construction, including building planning, foundation, structural wall systems, and fire safety provisions. Next will be Modern Masonry, Brick, Block, Stone, a comprehensive guide covering masonry construction techniques, including bricklaying, concrete block installation, stone masonry, mortar types, reinforcement methods, and structural masonry wall systems commonly used in commercial construction. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They study content instead of navigation. Your prep should focus on tabbing and highlighting, time practice, learning which book answers which question. If your exam is coming up, practice under time pressure. Here's how successful students approach this exam. They tab and highlight their books properly. They practice finding answers, not memorizing them. They skip the tough questions first. They don't second guess yourself, and they understand the exam format before test day. No 2 contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget. So we have the online course, which is going to walk you through every exam topic step by step. The book set is the official reference materials approved for the exam. The highlight and tab book set is the game changer. Your books arrived professionally highlighted and tab, so you can find the answers fast. Next, you have the book rental, which includes both the highlight and tab books and the online course, and you get a refundable deposit back at the end. The ultimate package is everything we just discussed, except we're going to do your application for you, and this is the most popular option. Finally, the one package is the all-in-one solution, which is going to be everything we just discussed, but we're going to also set up your business. And no matter where you're starting, One Exam Prep has a path that fits for you. Use code AR10CM at checkout for 10% off any of these packages. If you set up your exam correctly and train for speed, passing the commercial masonry contractor exam on the first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, proven system to get through this exam faster, check out One Exam Prep resources below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more contractor videos, and we'll see you in the next one.